In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert photo to PDF in WPS Office without premium. If you've got images you need to turn into a clean, shareable PDF, you can do it right inside WPS Office using the free tools. No subscription, no watermark, just a straightforward conversion. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by opening WPS Office on your computer or laptop. Once it's open, look for the Tools tab. Depending on your layout, it may appear across the top ribbon or in a sidebar, but it's clearly labeled. Click Tools, then choose Picture to PDF. This opens the built-in converter designed specifically for turning images into a PDF document. Next, click Add or tap the plus icon to pick the photo or photos you want to convert. You can select a single image or hold down your standard multi-select key to choose several at once. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great here. Once they're loaded, you'll see a preview list. Before converting, take a moment to arrange the images. If you're creating a multi-page PDF, make sure the order is exactly how you want it to appear from first page to last. You can usually drag and drop to reorder, and taking a few extra seconds here saves time later. Now adjust the settings so your PDF looks the way you expect. For page size, A4 is a safe choice for printing and sharing, while original size keeps each page matched to the image's dimensions. Pick the orientation that suits your content. Portrait is better for vertical photos and documents, and landscape works well for wide shots or charts. You'll also see an option to merge all photos into one PDF. Turn this on if you want a single multi-page file. If you prefer to keep them separate, leave it off. When everything looks right, click Convert. You'll be asked where to save your file. Choose a folder you'll remember and give the PDF a clear name so it's easy to find later. Finally, confirm by selecting Export PDF or Save, depending on what the button is labeled on your screen. That's it. You've converted your photo or photos to a PDF in WPS Office without using any premium features. Quick recap. Open WPS Office, go to Tools, select Picture to PDF, add your images, arrange them, set page size and orientation, decide whether to merge, hit Convert, pick your save location, and finish with Export PDF or Save. You're ready to share, upload, or print with confidence.